Alright, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're headed over to the Harley Davidson dealership in Winchester so we can go do the 1,000-mile service. We got about an hour's drive ahead of us, so should be interesting. It's definitely gonna be a nice ride out there, so I'll check back in a little bit once I get somewhere nice. Alright, we're back. I don't know it's gonna take me through here, but right now we're in Aldi. It's like this little town. It's pretty cool to drive through. Figured I'd get it on on GoPro. There's the old fire department right there. Nice little river. That's what it's called, this one. Alright, let's keep going. Up here we have the Aldi Mill Historic Park. It's pretty cool out here. Pretty interesting to drive through. That old store, I used to go there when I was younger or sometimes, and then we'd get ice cream and stuff from there. It's pretty cool. I haven't been here in like so long, so it's actually kind of nice to see it again. Alright, we're gonna cut it out here again. Alright, back again with another cut. Right now we're about to be entering Middleburg, another like little town like I used to go visit a lot when I was younger and stuff. A lot of memories up here. It's like a rich person little town. A lot of fox hunting and like horseback riding, and this is where all the rich people are. Lady almost went. I remember that gas station. Jeez, I haven't been here in literally years, ages. My buddy used to live out here, and then used to come out here all the time to pick him up after school and stuff, to hang out. We're about to be riding some nice roads though, because yeah, back here it's all back roads and stuff, so this is about to be cool. I'm glad it took me this way to the Harley dealer, because this is like the back road long way. Usually there's like highway. You can take all highway to get there. Go, bro. Put your turn signal on if you're gonna park or something. Jesus. Alright, here we go, leaving Middleburg. Cop was looking right at me. Okay, buddy. Good thing I wasn't speeding or not. We looked right at each other when he drove by. That's funny. Dang, they everywhere out here. I didn't know Middleburg usually doesn't have this many cops, but I guess now it's different. About to be to the lower. I had two friends who lived on here. My old buddy Kayshawn, he used to live up to the right up here at the apartment complex. Oh, never mind, it was back there up that road. And I had a buddy Jose who lived up there. Yep, the split road. So he lived in one of those houses over there. But we're gonna cut it out right here because it's gonna get windy. Everybody, as you can see, we're pretty much here there's Groves Winchester Harley Davidson, as you can see right there. So yeah, that's good. We made it. Oh man, so here we are. Alright, hey YouTube, we are back. I just picked up the Lowrider S from the Harley dealership. I had taken it in for the 1K service mile, or 1K mile service. And yeah, that was like a couple of days ago, I think on like Wednesday, and then today's Friday. I'm picking it up now. Well, I just got here now, so that's pretty cool. It's been a couple of days since I've ridden, but because of the rain and stuff, it was just a lot easier for me to wait until today to go pick it up and stuff. So yeah, it was awesome. They cleaned up my bike a little bit, which was pretty cool. I didn't ask them to do that, so I think that's pretty nice of them. I just want to say that everybody at that Harley dealership is honestly awesome. They're super nice and friendly, and it's not just because I bought a bike there. Like, for my first motorcycle, it was a Moto member dealership, and I mean, they were nice and all, and like one of the dudes that was talking to me over there about bikes, he was pretty cool, but like, I don't know, it's just like a different kind of friendly at the Harley dealership. They're asking me like how much I love the, like if I love the bike and stuff like that. Like they're super friendly. So I just like that. I think that's pretty awesome. It's taken me a completely different way to go back. So I've never driven on this road. So hopefully it goes good. This is pretty cool though. At least it's taken me like a little different route so I can explore some different roads, you know. We still have 57 minutes till I get back home. Yeah, this dealership is like an hour away, but it's honestly just a great place, you know. It's cool environment. Like I said, the people there are awesome. So, you know, I don't mind going all the way out here. Oh yeah, so the cost of the 1K service was about a little under $600. So it was like $580, $590. So it's not too bad, you know. I was hoping it wasn't more than that, so that's good. Because I saw some people saying, like on their post, they're saying that they, when they took their bike for like the 1K service, it was like $800. I think that's crazy. Well, that's a cool little bridge. It's funny when I was getting on the bike to get ready to leave the dealership just a little bit ago, one of the guys from the service department, he was like laughing and asking me how much bugs I catch with my helmet, because right now it's covered in like bug guts and stuff. I need to clean it. I forgot to wipe off the visor before I left today, but that's alright. It's pretty funny. But yeah, so far I've got 1,099 miles. And you know, the bike's been great. I've been loving it, like I said. It's just an amazing bike. Even a guy at the service saying he thinks this is like the best model that Harley's come out with. So, you know, this bike is awesome. We're good. What the heck happened here? Oh, must be paint or something. Don't want that on my bike. Look at this, look at these views, man. Like, this is amazing. I don't mind driving an hour out here because you get to see some amazing like scenery and stuff. Alright, let's go. Some nice Virginia farmland, man. Beautiful day today. It's a little cloudy, but you know, it's not storming or raining, so it's great. It's like 80 something. It looked like this yesterday and it didn't rain, but you know, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So let's get home before it starts raining. Not that I don't mind getting the bike wet, but you know, it's a 20K bike. I love the way this thing looks. It's not like an adventure bike to where I want water and shit getting kicked up on it to make it dirty. So I mean, I don't know, I kind of like having my bike look nice. Sorry, I don't want my paint getting messed up or anything. Not that water's gonna do that, but you know, like on my Kawasaki Z400, I mean, I don't really care. That's a cheap bike, you know. So I mean, I'll go out there in the rain and like rip it up and stuff. But like on this bike, you know, definitely a little more careful because it's my dream bike. I'm trying to take care of this thing. I guess we're turning down here. These are crazy little back roads, man. I was not expecting it to take me this way, but hey, I'm not complaining. A little early turn, whatever. Nobody's coming. Look at this, man. It's so gorgeous out here. I wouldn't mind getting a house out here, some property. Like, shoot. Make a dirt bike track out there, get a dirt bike, rip that around, have my own land, don't have to worry about neighbors, shoot guns off without having people worry about stuff. That would be nice. Alright, but we're gonna cut the video here. If I see anything cool, I'll like start the video, I'll like add in the clips. But I just want to thank everybody for keep being patient and then watching this video and stuff. See you guys.